Hey there, pancake lovers! Today, we are going to show you how to make fluffy, delicious pancakes from scratch. This recipe is easy to follow and customizable, so you can add your own favorite toppings and flavors. Let's get started. First, let's go over the ingredients you'll need. 1 cup all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons sugar, 2 teaspoons baking powder, a half teaspoon salt, 1 cup milk, 1 large egg, 2 tablespoons unsalted butter, melted, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, butter or oil for cooking. Instructions. Step 1. In a large bowl, whisk together the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Step 2. In another bowl, whisk together the milk, egg, melted butter, and vanilla extract. Step 3. Add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and stir until just combined. It's okay if the batter is a bit lumpy. Step 4. Heat a large skillet or griddle over medium heat. Add a small amount of butter or oil to coat the surface of the pan. Step 5. Use a 1/4 cup measuring cup to scoop the batter onto the skillet or griddle. Step 6. Cook the pancakes for 2 to 3 minutes on each side, or until they are golden brown. Step 7. Serve the pancakes hot with your favorite toppings, such as maple syrup, whipped cream, fruit, or chocolate chips. There you have it, homemade pancakes made easy. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and give this recipe a try. Don't forget to share your delicious pancake creations with us in the comments. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.